Hi there, I'm Alex, and welcome to Alex the Pi Guy. Today, we're going to do some practice problems that pair with the first video, Section 1, Lesson 1, where we talked about exponents. In this first question, I'm asking you to expand and evaluate the following sets of exponents. This first one, 3 squared, is very simple. It's just 3 times 3, which we know is 9. The second one, we have 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. I wanted to note with these two questions that although we have 2 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 2, they are not equal, despite the fact that these numbers are just switched. They are different. In this next one, we have 1 to the power of 7, which is just 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So there are 7 ones, but 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is always just 1. Next, we have 9 to the power of 1, which is just 9. You don't have to multiply by anything because we only need 1 9. Now we're getting some more tricky ones. 5 to the power of 5. Well, we need 5 5s. Now I don't expect you to know this off your top of your head, so let's just punch this into a calculator. And we have 3,125. And lastly, we have 7 to the 4th power, which would be 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. So we have 4 7s. And again, I don't expect you to know this, so if we plug it into our calculator, we get 2,401. In this next question, I'm asking you to express the following expressions as a base to an exponent. So basically doing the reverse of what we just did. The first one, we have 2 7s. So that's 7 squared. Part B, we have 4 11s. So that is 11 to the 4th. Part C, there is 1 5. We have 5 to the power of 1. Part D, we have 1 2 3 4 2s. That is 2 to the 4th power. And E, we have 3 3s, which is 3 cubed. In this last question, we'll convert the following expressions from words into written math. So the first part, 4 to the power of 8. That's 4 to the power of 8. You write it, you're kind of right, left, right, and it just kind of works out, I guess. B, 9 squared. 9 squared. Remember, squared is one of those special ones, which means 2. Part C, 2 to the 11th. Well, that's 2 is our base to the 11th power. Part D here, 7 cubed. Recall again that cubed is one of the special ones. This one referring to 3. So we have 7 to the power of 3, or 7 cubed. And that's all for today. If these questions were helpful in your understanding, let me know. If you feel like you need more kind of questions, tell me what questions were helpful, which ones weren't very helpful, what you'd like to see more of. Really appreciate it. If you like this content, hit like, If you want to see more of it, maybe hit subscribe. I'll see you next time.